In today's video, guys, we are going to take a look at the $500 truck once again. We have to fix the grille and the headlights. Still have to do the brakes. Still need to do some more cleaning on the inside. But in order to pass my inspection, I need to get the headlights replaced. The grille's not really needed, but it'll make the front look better. The grille that I have is black. I'm not going to paint it white. I'm just going to stick it in there. I don't think the black will look too bad. It'll just kind of make it look more like a work truck, which is fine with me. Anyway, like I said, we have to replace these headlights. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure they're just held up by these clips to get the big headlight out. The corner lights, on the other hand, I'm not sure. I think they're just like pressure clipped in. This one is held up by a zip tie, so that's what's got me thinking that it's just held up by some clips. Right here is a silver clip up here. It's probably hard for you guys to see right there at the top, and then there's another clip like right there on my finger. Let me go grab some tools real quick. We'll snip off all these zip ties holding everything up, get out the rest of this broken plastic. There's some broken pieces hidden up under this like splash guard. All right, I got some handy dandy 10 snips here. We're gonna go ahead and snip off all of these zip ties. Where's this other one at? Let's get these out of here, because yeah, that's no bueno in my opinion. Let's get that gone. So the zip ties are out. Are there any more holding it on? Let's get this out, this out. Is that about, there's one here, so about 3 things holding this. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these out of here. I think they're not actually screws, I don't think. I think they're actually just like pop fasteners. I don't know. Let me go grab a screwdriver real fast. Be right back. So like I figured, it's not really a screw. It kind of, I guess it kind of does screw in there, but it really just pushes down and opens this fastener just splits open to hold it, pressure fit basically. But the threads don't really do anything. Let's see if I can get this one to come out like that one did. But see, like if you turn it, it kind of just stops moving after a second, and you just kind of grab it, pull out the center screw, and then get this fastener out of here. It kind of reminds me of like a wall anchor, where when the screw goes into the middle, it just spreads it open and it fits by pressure. So we got those 2. This is actually a screw though. You can tell it's actually metal. So let's get that out of here. All right, I just don't want to lose any of these. We can put them back in when we're done. All right, we got that. Is there any other ones holding it in? Let me know if you guys see any, because I always tend to miss things. What else is, so there's actually one here and one here. Let's see if we can figure out what's still holding this on. So there's a screw underneath of the plastic. There's one there we got to remove. One there. We might actually just go ahead and remove this. How much of a pain is it going to be? Is there anything? So yeah, so it stops right here at the piece that goes over the actual fan. So I think we will go ahead and actually remove it. Let me put the camera down. I'll go ahead and pull this one out and this one out, and then we'll lift this off. Be back in a second. So as you can see, literally just lifted right off. And there it is right there. It's pretty dirty on the bottom, so we'll clean it up. The only thing was it sits under the hood release, so you just kind of have to slide it this way, but then it just lifts right up. So let me go ahead and pull these out, get all this broken plastic out, and then hopefully we can get this whole piece out right here, and then pull the headlights out. All right, let's go ahead and see what is still holding this into place. It seems to have some type of fastener right here. And then, like I said, it still seems like there's something behind the headlight. So I'm not sure. I think what we're gonna actually try to do right now is see if we can undo these clips right here and remove the headlight. So let's see if we can give those a nice tug and see if that will free the headlight. Let me put you guys down and see what else holds the headlight down here. Thought it was just the clips, but might be something else. There, yeah, so it is just literally the clips, and then you got the little socket here for the headlight bulb, so we can just unclip that, hopefully. Do I have to unclip it, or can I twist it off? Let me see if it'll pop backwards. Yeah, it looks like it's going backwards. Nice. So there we go. That was actually pretty easy. So we get the headlight out. We got one out. Yay. Okay, now let's figure out the corner light here. Like, it was literally just that and these two clips. Let's see. I want to keep that where it goes. I didn't know it would literally just pull out like that. Okay, so I think these are literally just pressure fit. So I'm gonna sit you guys down again, and let's get the camera situated there. So there is a tiny screw up here. Let me see if, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that or not. Right there is a very tiny little Phillips head screw. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, and let's see if that frees the headlight up. So there's a little tiny Phillips head screw in there. This thing's rusted like crazy. Well, let's see if that was it. That was it. There we go. So we just have another connector here. Just pull that bad boy off, and there you go. Headlight is free. And like I figured, there are two Phillips head fasteners back here. So let me get you guys in there so you can see. There is one up here and one right here, and that will hold the rest of this broken crap on. And then the one under here is like a snap fastener. So let me see if we can get that out real quick. That will get this whole piece out of here. Nice. Let's get the last piece of broken crap out of here. See how it has this like L shape rounded piece here, probably just to keep it from flapping around in the wind. I don't think the new one has this. Let's go to the other side. Pardon the neighbor's dog. Apologize, but there's not much I can do about that. Okay. This one is broken, and this one is probably the one holding it on. Yep. Nice headlight you got there. See, this screw back here is not there, so this is just literally going to slide out. You can tell somebody's probably already been in here and messed with these. This one's out. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. So that is let's go get the grill, bring it out here, test fit it. Hopefully it fits good. Okay guys, I went ahead and put the grill in. It's not attached or anything, it's literally just sitting there. We don't have the logo here. I'm not spending any money on that. We're gonna leave it like it is. Honestly, I think the black looks fine. I mean, we can give the hood a little bit of a close here and kind of see what it looks like. I don't think it looks that bad in my opinion. I don't think it's worth painting, not worth the extra money. And let's try to stick one in here. This actually looks like it's like been ripped out. It doesn't look like it has any threads. Let's see if we can catch something. Yeah, we're actually getting something, so got a good bite on that. That's good. Let's get that into there. So let's go ahead and just stick one here. If it's missing a couple of screws, I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Like, it's already like pretty well attached in my opinion. Let's see what it looks like. Let's get this bulb out of here. You guys let us know in the comments down below what you think. Should go like this. Okay, that fits. I will actually be surprised if these fit. Let's see here, we got that. What else needs to line up? That goes like that, goes like that. I had a couple of places there. I want to peel some of this. Let's just take it all off. Get that out of the way. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can lock it down with the clips this time. Guess that's as far as those go down. Okay, before I forget, let's try to get this corner light little screw in here if it'll fit. I don't know, it's not really grabbing anything. I'm just gonna leave it in there. Hopefully it'll do something. That up. Oh, don't smack the stuff. Okay. That is in. Now let's see. I bet you this just literally can slide in. That's how you do it, guys. Do your main headlight first, then you can see the guides where they go. Like here, I'll pull this corner light back out. Let me get it actually all the way out. So you see these clips go on these plastic pieces, and there's one up here, one down here. So you also need the adjustment to go through the hole, so that's so you can adjust and tilt and pan and whatever else you need to do to your headlight to get it the angle of it right. But if you have the corner light in the way, you can't do all this in one shot. There's also one of these over here on this side. That one you can kind of fish your hand through the grill to get it to go where you need to go, and you could look through this little crack right here. But if you have the corner light in the way, yeah, it doesn't work. So do your corner light last. Learn from my mistake. What's it look like?
Better than it did before, way better.
Nice, looks pretty decent. Let's try the headlights, see if they actually work. Let's go, baby. We need the key to check the turn signal, so let me go grab that. We're gonna also check the tail lights real quick too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Just gonna He-Man it out of there. Give it to me. Oh. Yeah, it was pretty much just in there for 100 million years, so it's got rusty crusties everywhere. So you said it was the reverse light not working. God, all these clips are so old. If you look at them, they break. You can't make this up. It's so old and crusty in here. Oh well. All right, so we need that bulb. And this has had some handiwork done to it. I hope that's not the reason it's not working. Nah, the filament's actually burnt. So there's a filament in a bulb that goes across from one to the other right there, and that's what actually heats up and makes a bulb light up. These bulbs are hot. That one's actually like super hot. This is nasty in here. This hasn't been taken out probably since it was put in at Ford. Let's go ahead and pull this one out. Yeah, that one's literally melted.
Literally just fell apart.
Yeah, this one's super hot too. We might.
That one like melted too.
Yeah, this one's melting too. You can actually see it smoking right now. That's not cool. Let's just go ahead and
they're
pull
all
this
messed up.
out. What I'm worried about is like, look at this housing for this light bulb. It's literally just melted. Like, it's kind of actually still hot. Like the plastic's like goo right now. It literally is melted in here. Like it's actually hot. And let's use the lanyard. Bison. Let's see if we can get this bulb out of here in one piece without it separating. Did it separate? No.
No.
Nice.
Don't know how we're gonna get that out, but probably gonna find a way. Oh, I thought it was a plunger with that end.
So
I can probably grab it.
no, it went back further. Oh, I got it. Can I get it out? Oh, let's go. Yo, these things are like a couple bucks on Amazon. Link is in the description down below. Works like a charm. So it's like a little claw gizmo to fish things out, like if you drop bolts down in a motor and stuff like that. Yeah, okay, that works. So let's go grab 3 of those. We got some bulbs here, some bulbage. We got the bulbage. Hey, look, these ones you can actually read them. Cool.
Those are not 30 years old.
Yeah, or older. Where's the goo at? Give me the gooey stuff. Oh no, where am I supposed to put this? Just down here? Okay, that sounds like a good plan. Let's put a little there, a little there. Yep, that works for me. Let's line those up like that. Click her in there. Get her in there. Alright. Maybe we should put a little dab of that on here.
Yeah.
Keep these from going bad down the road. Alright, let's line her up somehow or another.
Oh, that dust.
Well, it's a little bit of dust. We're not cleaning that. Let's get the wires back in there. Wires freaking away.
Smack it.
Just smack it. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, smack it a couple times. Let's get these bolts back in here, and then we'll hop up there and hopefully fix that. Yo, ratcheting wrenches, greatest thing ever. If you need a set of ratcheting wrenches, check the link in the description down below. Help support the channel. Appreciate it. I don't know. Let's put a little bit of this goo on there.
Gooey goo.
Let's jam her in.
Goo.
A little goo.
Stick it in.
Stick her in there. A little bit more goo. Maybe I should put some on that side too, because this one is like
horrible.
Actually bad. All right, let's see. Let's get the bulbs all back in here. All right, let's go ahead and screw her back on, and then we will open the doors, see if the white lights come on, and I will turn the truck on and push the brakes, and we'll see if we have a third brake light.
Yeah, they're both on. Yeah. Yeah, the middle one's on. I'll beat it in.
You might want to back up just a bit.
Oh yeah.
How's that look? Should we do more? A little bit
Beat
more?
it some more.
Alright. It's kind of hard to swing this little freaking rubber mallet. Yo, that looks beautiful.
We hit those.
Yo, we hit those, baby. Hang on, I'll be right back. I got the ultimate fix for it. But you guys are saying, but Seth, it still is beat up. Aren't you gonna fix that? Yes, of course we're gonna fix that right now. This is how you fix it.